cookies. There's Amy's.
Matt doesn't get one.
Damn it, I was gonna buy him some pink panties, I forgot.
That's all you guys are getting for Christmas.
Don't open them yet.
Don't open them yet.
Quit being an ass.
Yay, Matt was looking at me when I took that one. Or he was looking this direction almost. Not necessarily at me.
So smile, Ryan!
Smile! Huh? Not yet.
Smile.
You need to be quiet because I'm going to be recording.
Let's see what happens when 3 want to be released.
Yeah, but it doesn't come up yellow on that.
Holy shit, do that again.
Do what again?
Rochelle, Cheyenne, do it again. Thank you. Good smile, good smile. Even Ryan was smiling, yay!
Yay!
Look, all 4 of them are smiling and it ain't so happy.
Alright, Donovan, you can't grab my pants.
Yeah.
He's wearing sweats now. That would be funny. Tom, stay out of the way.
Here's Matt. Here's Ryan.
Wait till you all 4 have them.
There's cookies. Things.
Oh my god. What did you put in there? Rick?
Yeah.
Can I rip it?
Open them.
Go! Merry Christmas. They're yours. Do it.
A.B. the door. Alright, someone spelled my name
Over
wrong.
here. Donovan, get your little hiney out of there.
They didn't have any pink one, Matt, so you didn't get a pink one to match your car.
Nothing spectacular. Just
Green.
You got a red one to match your car.
Do you have lasers? What is the cat now?
rule, do not shine them in anybody's eyeballs.
Yeah, Rochelle.
You shine mine.
Yeah, Donovan, I threatened to beat him to death.
Come on, open the big ones already, guys.
Matt got something big.
Matt got a motherboard.
Alrighty. Who wrapped these? Open the box.
Oh, your grandfather, go figure. Good luck.
telling you.
Ask Mom what that's like.
Aha. Hey, cool.
Brian got something from the UPS.
No, USPS. United States Postal Service.
Amy got a box.
Yay, that's my favorite. I think that is the box. Yay, the box.
You don't want it?
Ryan, are you okay? Open it again and try it again. Yep, it's still the same thing.
Alright.
Alright, there's no blow-up doll in there.
Donovan, get off the couch like that.
No blow-up doll in there.
Newspaper?
You got newspaper?
Any fat girls on there? Get on the internet and find it.
That didn't take long. Ooh.
Huh?
Whatever.
Computer, we'll work on that.
Amy, don't
I put the drivers in
We're
there.
showing.
Now,
Give me your keys.
after Christmas is over, which it's almost over now, what is it, the girls? All the girlses?
All the girls, I gotta get more memory.
All the girlses, we've got to get more
I don't
memory.
think your battery
you.
holds your charge
I
at
got it
all.
So,
Holds the charge
you
for a
have to
little
be
while.
patient.
And that's what you got the charger for. Where's the other cord?
You don't have a knife.
There's another cord. It's called a power cord. You know what them are, right?
Trying to record.
That plugs in the back.
Oh, there it is.
My big mouth.
Where at?
Pretty brown paper stuff.
Donovan was walking in front of it. Being a pain in the butt head. Yeah.
No fair. That's not down.
Love you, Mom.
Who's beeping?
Okay, one final. Everybody smile. What do we tell Grandma and Grandpa?
Hey, you! Oh, wait, wait, wait.